Step 2. Surface preparation. Before our arrival, we ask that all countertops be cleared of small appliances, trinkets, or other items to give us unobstructed access to the surface. We start by carefully cleaning your countertop to remove any debris or residue. Since the MORE AntiEtch treatment is only applied to horizontal surfaces, we will tape off edges, sink cutouts, and other areas to ensure precision. Now, we begin the process of sanding the countertop to remove any existing etch marks. We use a combination of mechanical and hand sanding to ensure that we can reach even difficult areas, such as around faucet holes. Sanding the stone opens the pores of the material, assisting us in removing any stains while prepping the surface to accept the MORE AntiEtch treatment. To control dust, we use a HEPA vacuum. This step requires slow, methodical work with great attention to detail. Depending on the type and color of the stone, it may appear lighter during this stage. Additionally, we may use acetone and epoxy to clean or fill pits, and if stain removal is required, we may apply a poultice that needs to stay on for a day or more. Believe it or not, lighting plays a crucial role in this process. We rely on good daylight or overhead lighting to carefully examine the stone for tiny imperfections, ensuring nothing is overlooked.